Ingat darah tak kisah controversial question sing itu. Zini Tiprasa bisingo to belai religion no to you belai kaglai tong, mana ang Hindu ang Kristen, bota hai kita. Yo boni bagi le do ning tma mana kisah message rom so me kaglai meni bagi kaham ya de tma bedo.
See, religion is not something ke dhappa lag gaya. Religion is something that people choose. मैंने borok rock से religion no choose खायो, choice खायो जिन वो religion no follow खाने ने मुझे like from the Isai, Muslim, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism. Amo तो religion is just a way to worship God.
Cini or Tiprasa rong tani walai mana Hindu mana wathor no khununai bai inke tani.
I'm coming to the point.
Walai.
The point. Sini tabako jaga sini borok especially Christian ngi thanga doesn't mean that ngi video jini chung Tiprasa busa ase family chini kono ideal sekari na ki chung Hindu ni ram jaga na Christian ni ram na Muslim just po chung je choose khainam chung choose khaima no to ke yes it is bad ki nang Christian hap thang mari sengla bai je nang Hindu ram no what hap chung botai posa baro go nei criticize klaita na sigita because nang nije ni nang ya phana da tabu ne jamana ho to bo tuang mo borok charani sim no Christian ni phaiga but ni awa babu ni thago bora borok le to se agi motai puji phainaro baro be phainaro but motai bole to wa kai we chara ta ngai tok te phuto kari ara na
tok we sanai
wa ga chai phaine agi no Tiprasa rok nei to mung se amo na Tiprasa rok nei puji mung se amo agi ni siming no phai dong so tini nang khoroksa Christian ngai thang amo sengla bai nini old culture no phegari mania nini old culture no criticize claim mania nang khanga thanga no problem you go je nang religion claim mo somai nang claim thanga but do not criticize the opposite religion man nini opposite nang nini tini khana nini nok ka shaw nang nai man buma bu bhangle Hindu bu sanggle Christian rok tabong na buma motai ro pro prosad baro gere khanga pro Christian rok ta sa chungle baro ga mane no chaya it's all thought okay jotona bokhorok bisingo se chana ni jinis either go barok jak muthung just pan muthung chai khini tam khaba tini nang barok jak mane chaya ni wan chu ke church je offer claim mani man church bo thanga ga to thale ro layo just pan layo offer layo le offer na ta sare ta because bo to kaise motai ni thani barok jak le ta sare but do not criticize the tini o mole motai layo ba sun bono nasingi a sun bono nai a sun nam diklaya nai ke bo ke ne ke ta torjak lai di ta salai di tabuk Hindu rok ko ko sayang na nai je Christian rok le borok le motai buji a jat ta mo process cha jat ko nai jono aise yesi sur layo ko criticize klai so amo hai ge klai lai
agi sai pro
agi le chung thong bo thang bo sam no thang process cha lai man jin nai to ko
tabong ka hai ta angke agi singstrai pro rogle tong lai pheu
think oh asomoi ni tong thok we tini ni tong thok bus difference chung asomoyo buri berai pujang lai kha hajagring lai kha yang bere lai chala
mane khong lai
tini dino jodi hajagring pon siring se nok siu tauni bagai Christian hap thang lai Christian ko tam lai ga girja thang lai ga gan sab lai ga hoy sab lai ga phir ba phele ga that is not enough nang jodi khlaina ne ga celebrate everything tini nani pa
amo mane khong lai mani festival of to amo Hindu hayam na chin culture sible na
mane khong lai mani it doesn't mean that bo ekdom siko kotor mangi thama amo agini simi je hojagiri ge tini le mane khong lai simi amo it's like an entertainment to live our life okay one way of entertainment ki joto kisu no khlaina na joto kisu no experience khai manu
khogui nai le gra tande
everything has a logic in life tabok agini jamana on to ke phurungtai kha ba phurungkha tinung sigol klaiman nai legina kindu ram ja khatang ja hajagri phun ko ram ja
wo ta hai ta
yama hai mane ke it's like a training for everything for survival among ka se
khale mane sagamar chi khale family bo traditional tha ta
indirect way of survival ta jab ka se hai entertainment and tradition only thang celebration like so yes that is okay everything changes but oh yeah I am also a converted Christian I don't say that I am not but we should not
criticize Christian fan hai ta
mane kaise jaga o simi deeply habita thangdi je jaga o nang a deeply habai thangi nang tai baki bor rok no gyan thangdi tai o dunia o bhagwan is just a name to give a fear to the human beings jodi tini bor rok bhagwan me kiriya to oi tong khang gang ke bus crime bang khamu bus ke thogale bang khamu tini o bhagwan ni bumung tai either it be Hindu god, either it be Christian, either it be Muslim, अरे अल्लाह माफ कर दो नहीं
अल्लाह माफ कर दो
कोई भगवान को हे भगवान माफ करे से नहीं लेते the Christian को ईश्वर नहीं same thing it's like religion is just a name to keep us intact or is
to give in fear
to to give
secret
to keep some discipline for human beings otherwise if you want to believe that there is no god
then kedara matai tong de kre
I cannot say that matai tong kre because see, every human being there is no such human being who doesn't believe that there is no god I would not say and there will be nobody like that who doesn't say that I don't believe in god there might be a couple of them but someday or the other जब उसको डर लगेगा ना बोलेगा हे भगवान बचा ले
इंदे
हाँ बचा ले भगवान
matai le tong de kre mane matai ko ma sok sarai la hangge ta matai tong de kre
see tabuk zorat to we have not seen anything see whoever came as a prophet like Jesus was also a messenger
Gautam
Buddha as a messenger all of these guys were messengers and they were influencers old days influencers but they were teaching the way to live so that people stay in discipline so that discipline has been maintained tini Buddhist rock Gautam Buddha na pusi life thinking like he has a superpower why because he could control a lot of people why he could control a lot of people lot of public because he had the right logic point to talk
yes exactly
similar way Jesus has also done that logic way to talk believe in yourself believe in yourself think that you will be able to do and you could do it the same way Prophet Muhammad कहता है कि अपने खुद पे भरोसा रखो और खुदा पे भरोसा रखो बट सब कुछ खुदा पे छोड़ नहीं देना है क्योंकि खुदा आके आपसे हेल्प नहीं करेगा जब अपने चाहत होंगे ना तो सब कुछ अपने आप हो जाएगा नहीं अपने आप कर पाएंगे